Stop that man! How do you tawag this?
Sampaguita, ma'am.
Just Sampaguita lang. Okay. Sampaguita is my favorite. This is Baclaran Church. Sampaguita is mahal sa US. And you can only grow it sa loob ng bahay. Parang exotic plant.
Yan yung
What's
national flower
sampagitan?
namin, ma'am.
It's called Arabian jasmine. In English is Arabian jasmine.
Meron po kayo dun sa bahay, mama. Sa Sampaguita.
Talaga?
Yeah.
It's my favorite.
Gusto niyo bumili ng mani, ma'am? One.
The what?
The peanut.
Oh yeah, I want peanuts.
Kuya, yung pritong ano ba yung saan ba yung nakita?
Adobo?
Oo, saan ba yung natin nakita kanina?
Wala. Dito.
Hindi, baka dyan meron sa kanto.
Oh, sige lang. Adobong mani. Yung mga pera sa suso ko.
Yung maraming garlic.
Maraming bawang.
Ibang pera sa suso. Wait lang.
Di ba kinuha nyo kanina?
Wala na, Max.
Pantay na si Max. Daw. You guys, this is my childhood. The Sampaguita flowers. This is what my mom would always buy for me for pasalubong. And I'm going to bring some for my mom. It's my favorite smell. I'm going to cry. I'm going to cry. Oh my gosh. Ate, magkano po?
20 lang to. Tatlo 50 na.
May 20 sa suso ko? Wala. May 20 sa kamay mo?
Ilang araw lang takapagyan. Nandali pa rin.
How much?
Ay, sorry. 20.
20.
No.
Wait. Teka, ate.
No, you have?
May ano sa suso. One. How many I got?
350.
Here. Lahat for you. No, you both. Both of it. Lahat.
50-50. 50-50.
Ay, talaga? Are you okay? Okay, thank you po.
Thank you.
50-50, okay? Okay po.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Grabe. Well, only isang bakla lang. Ano? Magkano ka? You can do hair? Mama said, oh, my daughter, tell her, when Maisie came here first, when they saw the bus sa Baclaran, she said, is that where the bakla comes from? My daughter said that she's 10 years old that time.
Oh, kasi yung anak niya, 10 years old pa lang siya, ngayon 11 na siya. Sabi niya, nakita niya kasi yung karatulan ng jeep, sabi niya, Baclaran. Is that the yun daw yung kung saan nakatira yung mga bakla.
Is mas maganda dito than Divisoria. Pangit yung Divisoria dito.
Maraming mga ano doon.
How about Quiapo? Ganyan
Ganun din sa
din.
Divisoria.
Mas dikit-dikit sa Quiapo, ma'am. Ay,
It's mas what? No. It's sira?
yeah.
Here. Hold it. We have to find somebody to fix it. We have to buy the yung they sell that sa online. Yung dusters, spaghetti strap, all of that. Spaghetti strap, nightgowns, house dresses, stuff that would cost at least $20 a piece back home. And I have enough for my entire household. If you ever want to come over and have a duster party, I got you covered. And I'm at the Edna's stall here in the Baclaran Palenque, and I like it way better than Divisoria. Sorry, Divisoria. This is mas maganda.
Alam mo ba yan? Papa-model sa amin.
Cool. So check them out. They're here in Baclaran. It's my first time here, and now we have house clothes for everybody. And Maisie doesn't have to wear that green thing all the time. So yeah, it was worth it. And for my mom, strapless spaghetti straps, beautiful t-shirt nightgowns, t-shirt house dresses. Here, I like it better than Divisoria here. It's amazing.
927
35.
35
So I got 24 dusters, or actually t-shirt dresses, nightgowns, house dresses, for about $75. These things would have been at least $20 a piece at home. You guys, I got enough for everybody.
12 na yan. 11 na yan. So 9 to 7. 3, 5, 4, 1.
Shout out yung ano,
Ay, shout out! Charot! Waray! Waray doon.
Waray, oh!
From Tacloban.
and Ate Edna's store is here in the Baclaran Palenque, so come and visit her. What are you
Ilang taong ka na, Karen?
sa skincare mo?
70.
70 years old.
Anong skincare mo? What are you doing?
I don't know.
Her, she's 70, her skin is beautiful.
Fresh.
Mabait yan, ma'am. Bigay sa akin ng ano, yung kapatid kong nasa Korea.
Oh,
kaya.
that's why you're using the glass skin. So good. Walang pores. Walang, wow.
No stress.
No stress?
Yes.
Oh, that's your mama.
No.
Ay, gusto ko.
Ayan. Kay Macy, ma'am.
Kay Macy.
24, ma'am.
Okay, tapos na ha.
Three colors. Yung black. Yung black.
Wait, walang ano.
I like that one.
Sige.
Gray,
Tapos,
gray.
no, that's we have too many. Ganyan, I need sleeves. Walang sleeves. Okay, for sure.
Moms,
Huh? Look
say
at
something.
this. And it has 2 pockets. You know how you're getting premium is that you get 2 pockets with these dusters. These are t-shirt material. This is great for Maisie. I want this one for her. And let's see what other colors we have here.
Marami pa dyan. Uy, ka. Pants. Sibis talagang baby lang. Hindi ko pa tayo sasama sa Pasko. Marami pa doon, batik. Ano yung mga pamba? Ano mo kay ma'am kung dalawa? Des.
This one is longer or shorter? Which one is longer?
Sama mo sa kaya. Para makita niya mamaya pa. Ito dito. Ay, kunin mo na lang gusto niya ito na. Pakita ko pa.
This one. Beautiful.
Pangit.
The black.
Na lang, this one.
Yeah.
Ayoko nung, no. Here.
This. So. What do you call? This one?
One.
Pakita natin.
This one.
Apa. Tapos yung...
Ano ito?
Oh, maganda. Para mama.
Para mama. Dali niyo magsalita magtagalog.
Hindi, parang ulo lang ha.
Cute.
Kalahati Pilipino, kalahati Pinoy. Ay.
Same tayo. Kalahati ba sa ako? Charot.
Dati bagyaw.
Ito yellow.
No, hindi.
Oh,
Ay, pangit yun. Pangit yun. Ay, ano, pulis.
Ibang design yan, ma'am.
Sleeveless.